Aloha everyone, thank you for tuning in today. Today I would like to show you my mini project called Find LCS. The purpose of this is just basically help you practice finding the longest common subsequence between two strings, and to be able to do it with this program instead of having to draw the cells and write it down one by one. And yeah, there's also many other features. So this project is basically in where I was inspired because of the recent class I just took, CS 301, Complexity and Algorithms, and most of the code here I just turn it into more interacting with Java and with um, JFrame and JPanel, and also with user interaction and user input. So let's show you how it works. So first of all, let's start with some simple strings. Let's say A, B, and A, B, B, right? Okay, so it will show up like this, and what you need to do is to start, you just hit enter. Otherwise, you can just click show answer, but we will get there soon. One thing to notice to remember is once you click hit enter, you will need to finish all of them. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's basically compare the row, columns, and the columns of the highlighted cell and see if they match. So, and yes, when they match, you want to add one to whatever over here. And yeah, this one is doesn't match. So it's gonna compare the value between these two, and this one is higher. So, and now we have this, and this one is match. Bam, bam. Okay. So once we're finished, we can hit restart and do it again, or input a new input. But we can just show answers, check. So it says congratulations is correct, and the correct answer is with the length is 2 and the substring is A, B, this is B, and this is A. Awesome. Let's restart with the same input and let's see what happened when we did it wrong. So technically, you could probably still able to find the length and the subsequence. However, is it incorrect because this arrow is not correctly marked. So yeah, so it will show you which one is the incorrect and what was wrong about it. You can check for the number and the arrows, make sure they work correctly. So that's pretty much it. And let's try something else. So this website is my professor website that help us um, practice finding LCS for two strings. So I'm just gonna take an input. I'm gonna restart and do this. Now I'm not gonna be bothered to go through all this, but just to show you that it can produce the right answers, we will click show answer. We see here that this one is 7 and this is the sample. Now, yep, I click it. It's incorrect because I didn't do any work, obviously. But the correct length is 7. And we have this the substring here is B and then 4A and then 2B. So yeah, it seems like it's working well. And yeah, you can always start just to click enter, or you can reset, do a easier input if you wish to turn on and off it, see it works. Yeah, that's pretty much I have for today, and thank you for watching once again. I hope you enjoy it, and I will try to release this so that you can also use it and share it with your friends to practice LCS, especially if you taking broader jailbreak classes. That's my professor. All right, thank you.